Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Boo Bradley in Japan, and today I'm gonna go have some lunch at Ikea. So, let's get going. Oh, look at this sausage! Look at those! Oh, 2 different types plus chicken nuggets. 49 cents a nugget. Oh, I don't know. William, you want some chicken nuggets? No. No? Okay. Do you want a sausage? You're fine? All right. All right. Oh, those look delicious. They really did a good job. They made a big change. Oh man, look at this stuff. Look at that. That looks absolutely mouth-watering. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh my god, I so want to eat that. Look at their display of cakes. Almond Dane. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh my god. Look at that. That actually looks pretty good too. Look at that. Can't eat any of it. Look at this. It kind of looks like water, but it's actually Jello. Yeah, look at that. Jello. Got some malt beers. All their lunch is in a plastic wrap. So, look at that. Man, I'm starving. Cheese, beef. That looks like a nice salad there. Look at that. I don't have to eat. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks good. I don't know. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. Beautiful display. Look at this. Look at this. Which one? Which one should I get? There we are. Oh yeah, there we are. There's my lunch right there. Nice salmon. Alright, so what's on our menu? Alright, Ikea meatballs, salmon salad, shrimp salad, pudding. Jelly. That's right, jelly. Below we got curry rice. French fries. French fries. A salad. And a waffle. Alright, I guess now it's my turn to eat. So, alright, after a long time of waiting and trying to find a seat, we are finally able to sit down. And I get to eat my salmon salad here. So, you know, Ikea has this salmon. It was, is it fresh? Yeah. So it costs about almost $4.20. A little over about $4. So it comes with a fresh lemon. Oh, that's gonna taste good. All right. Comes with this nice little packet of sauce. Just gonna throw that on there like that, yeah. That's awesome. Alright. Throw that over there. So I got the salad, yeah. I'm just gonna smother that just like that, yeah. Oh, it smells good with the lemon. So now I need my fork. Well, it's come prepared. William has his curry rice and his French fries. And me, since I'm still on my diet, which I'm actually doing very good on my my diet plan, I'm just gonna eat some fish and salad. So yeah. However, is the price enough for someone to have a full meal? Probably not. Actually, for the price, it definitely is not going to be worth the food. I mean, it doesn't feel that there's not enough quantity to satisfy someone who's shopping. But however, hey, salmon, you gotta love salmon. So, big bite there. That little plate of salmon is delicious. Oh. I like their sauce, just some basil, some sort of a nice little salad, but they only give you two slices, two very thin slices. I have to roll it up. So I wish I had more. What I do miss is actually fishing and catching my own salmon. I miss it. I'm gonna have to go out back on the boat and get my own salmon. There's a couple pieces left there. Nice little salad. I mean, not a lot of salad there, but for the price, it's healthy. Oh. I'm still staying true to my diet. I'm doing a very good job with my diet. Very happy with how I'm eating. My way of life is still improved. So. But however, I'm gonna have a cheat day coming up soon, and I'm gonna go to all-you-can-eat restaurant. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Oh, my plate's empty, basically, except for the lemon. So, all right. So is the salmon salad I just had worth the price? To me, no. Of course, I'm still hungry, even though I'm dieting. I still need something to eat, so I just grab myself, bam, an extra salad. So, fortunately, with this salad, yeah, they use a lot of plastic wrap. So I don't know how fresh it is. It could be today. It could have been made last night. I don't know. But it looks like they add just red pepper, some onions. Looks like a piece of a yellow pepper. Yeah. A little bit of salad dressing. So they got their Italian dressing, which is pretty nice. William, how you enjoying your food? You doing good? Yeah? Staying away from the camera today? Don't feel shy? You want to say hi to everybody? You having fun today? Are you hungry? You want your jelly? Alright, look at that. He gets the piece of jelly. Alright. What do you say? Alright, give me please. Alright, good man. Alright, do you want me to open that? Remember you could, no? Okay. Oh. I know I should stay away from Italian dressing, but I just can't stay away sometimes. Gotta go with 2 packs. Alright. Get that on there.
It's good.
Yeah? I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon to this. Got some lemon left. So my summer vacation starts in a couple weeks, and I'll actually be hitting the gym a little bit, which is actually going to be about, I'm going to try to hit the gym for at least 6 hours a week. So here's hoping I'll gain some muscle mass. Very good. Look at this. So You know what? I want a little bit more green. Here, I'm taking your broccoli, William. Add a little bit more green to there. There you go. I think every salad should have broccoli. So, alright, well, you know what? I'm just going to eat that. That's alright. A little rice ain't going to hurt. Curry tastes good. I love coming to Ikea, especially in the summertime. When it's really hot outside, it's like 33 degrees out. Nothing better than coming to this place and just vegging out for the entire day. It's cool, it's air conditioned, it's kid safe. Well, you gotta eat your greens, right? Graham, who are you picking on? Look at these greens. William's giving our friend a bad time. Right, that fast enough. So now it's time to go shopping. What am I gonna buy? We'll find out.
I want to buy wood and red.
Let's get going, William. All right.